Hey, it's Tom Gallagher and another edition to the story behind the car. So, this video was shot in Springfield, Illinois, and it's a Route 66 festival, annual festival, and it's really cool. The city of Springfield holds this event in the downtown area, but on Friday night, they have a area in a mall that all the vehicles that are wanting to do this park, and there'll be 300, 400, 500 cars in this area. And then the streets are blocked off. The police and state patrol will block off the intersections. They do allow local traffic, but they control the local traffic and divert it so the cars that are involved in this, essentially a rod run from the outskirts of town into the downtown area. So you see in this video, you can see the police, the lights straight ahead, and you'll see it as we go through the different intersections. And then it's a voluntary thing where you can have candy and throw it out to kids along the road. So you see people lined up, and the kids are out there, and people throw candy to the kids, and it's really a cool event. So we're driving from that parking area to the downtown area, and I don't know how many city blocks they have, but it's probably about 12 city blocks in the downtown area that they close off, and they only allow the cars from the car show in that area, and then they have that closed off the entire weekend. So Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday, and you can see the kids got bags, and you can see them going around and picking up all the candy. So anyway, the downtown area, and you'll see other videos that I've posted or will post of the downtown area, and it's just an amazing car show. We've been going for probably 10 years. I would have to really stop and think how long. And it's not an expensive car show. It's maybe $45. You get a T-shirt, and you get a goodie bag with some other stuff in it. But what's really amazing is they allow, on Friday night, they allow burnouts. So right now I'm in Lynn's truck, and it's a 71 Ford F100, and we're just waiting, pulled off to the side to allow some of the cars to pass. So the other people in our group, Lynn's dad and some other guys, are catching up. And then we all drive downtown, and in various places, people will encourage burnouts. So you just stop. Everyone knows what's going on. The police don't mind. They don't object. You don't get a ticket, anything like that. And you can do burnouts. So there's anything from classic cars to modern cars, and it's just an amazing car show. One of my favorite car shows of the year, and it's something we've been, as I mentioned, been going for years. So if you ever get an opportunity, it's held in September, and if you ever get an opportunity, it's worth, and you're in the area, it's worth going to. And people from all over, Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, Indiana, from all kinds of states travel to go to this. So you can see the light is red, and the police have it all blocked off. So you just drive on through the intersections. So this video is not the most exciting video in the world, but I just wanted to shoot it and show you just how large this car show is and how unique it is. So it's a rod run to the downtown area, and then the downtown area is closed off, like I mentioned, for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And people from all over the area mill about and look at all the cars, and it's just a really good car show. So enjoy the rest of the video. I think you got an idea what this is, and I'll leave it at that. And unfortunately, we're behind a modern car right here, but there are anything from Model Ts to daily drivers like you see right in front of us. So great car show, great event, very friendly people, clean, and just a wonderful time. enjoy the rest of the video and check out my other videos. Appreciate the support. Help me grow the channel. And we try to have a car show every Saturday on the channel and plenty of videos of individual vehicles and great stories behind the car. And that's what's so unique about this channel is the majority of the videos are the story behind the car. So we interview the owner of the car and find out what's unique about that car or truck and what drew them to it, what they've done to it, what they plan on doing to it, what they wish they would have done, what they regret doing, that kind of stuff. So great stories behind the car, and then a car show on every Saturday. So thanks again. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll talk to you soon.
down the road by my half a seat. Out down the road by my half a seat. Hey, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. could see. I was down the road, far now I could see. Oh yeah. Down the road, far my I could see. I was down the road.